Excuse me. This is way going to Tagbilaran? How far is it?
About 45 minutes drive. Oh, 1 hour and 45 to 1 hour. 45 to 1 hour minutes drive.
Oh, still very far. Where you guys from?
What's from here?
Is there a hotel here? Hi.
Is there a hotel here? No, only in
I'm sorry, I cannot hear you.
No, if you want a 5-star hotel, it's located at Tagbilaran.
What is it? Oh, you missed the bus.
If
Which
you
you-
want a 5-star hotel, it is only located at Tagbilaran City.
All right.
Yes, sir.
How about here? Just this town.
1 star.
That one, sir.
Try there. Try.
Okay, how about a restaurant?
Before that, Marka, thank you.
sir.
There's a,
There's a
Violet
hotel there.
Hotel.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
What is the name of the hotel?
Antonio's Resto.
Ay, charot.
Antonio's
So
Resto.
they do have restaurant also.
Yes, sir.
All right. Do they have steak?
We
we're
don't
not
know,
sure.
sir, because
Don't
But
know.
in Tagbilaran there.
Dagan sa
There are
Tagbilaran.
steak. Yeah.
Dagan sa Tagbilaran restaurant.
Ka-vlog na ba?
Ha?
What
You guys missed the bus. Di mo nung maigo.
Videohan ni mo? Oo, video. Wani, muli, paniklina niya. Maduna na ko kaya itin po. Lagi, pinagisral pa. Ano po na yun? Ano na siya? You wanna find story? It is only locate sa...
O kara mo gi-upload to Facebook. Golden Stream.
Ha?
Golden Stream.
Golden Stream.
Saan daw? I-search daw.
Search. Mano nakaputi man mo tanan?
di kami
Nagawa niya ng social work.
Ay, wow.
Social
Like
worker
volunteer.
for a day. Yeah. No. Nakuha na mi po. Asa golden?
Golden Stream. Asa mo eskwela?
Sa St. Ignatius.
Amang high school mo, high school.
Yeah.
Pinailat me.
Dita high school, senior high today.
Ah, senior high. Ah.
Asa ka ni?
Wala mo kasagay.